Crash detection isn't new Apple Watch Series 8 feature I hope anyone ever has to test, but regrettably car accidents happen. Apple Watch has had fall detection and emergency SOS features for some time, but crash detection is a new kind of safety tool made possible by upgraded motion sensors in Series 8. The Apple Watch Series 8 features two new motion sensors inside, plus an improved gyroscope and accelerometer. These together can sample motion 4x faster than before. So the watch will be able to detect a crash precisely as it happens, and in the unfortunate case of a crash, the Apple Watch will automatically call emergency services and notify your emergency contacts. Though it's a somber thought, quicker help could be a matter of life or death. When stationed at the demonstration table with the new Apple Watch devices, the Apple Watch Ultra is the first one I reached for. That's not a knock to the Apple Watch Series 8. I did eventually try it on. The skin temperature sensor, crash detection, and low power mode seem like good additions to the experience. Will they be enough? Stay tuned for a full review of the Apple Watch Series 8. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.